In this video, I'll show you how to remove indicators from your TradingView chart in just a few seconds. If your chart looks messy or overloaded with too many indicators, don't worry, cleaning it up is super easy. There are actually two quick ways to do it. The first way is to delete indicators one by one. This is useful if you only want to remove a specific indicator while keeping the others. To do that, simply hover over the indicator name at the top of your chart. You'll see a trash icon appear on the right side. Click the trash icon and that indicator will instantly disappear from your chart. The second method is that if you want to remove all indicators at once and start with a clean chart. Go to the left bottom toolbar, click the trash icon, then click the arrow next to it and select Remove All Indicators. TradingView will instantly clear everything, leaving you with a fresh chart to work on. And that's it, two simple ways to clean up your TradingView workspace and make your charts look neat again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick TradingView tips and tutorials.